I make this a very beautiful dish for you guys. Please like and subscribe my page and also my Facebook page. Like, please. Thank you. Follow also. Okay, we come out today another make another dish for you guys. Okay, now this dish is called chicken uh, Baltic. Okay, chicken Baltic is cooked with the simple ingredients: tomato, fresh tomato, garlic, ginger, green chili, and chicken. And then they put butter, but because butter is not good for health, so we use olive oil, coriander. Now, how the Pakistani people cook this one? This dish come from northwest Pakistan. Northwest Pakistan people they use garlic and ginger. Actually, this dish originally is from Mughals. You know, the Mughal king in India. This is called Mughlai food too. So what they do, they put here in the uh, pounder and they pound garlic and ginger together. You add water, make a juice, and they add. So I will show you guys for a while. Okay, guys. Now we don't need to do this because we have this machine already. Okay, so you can put these atoms together here because the original recipe says you cook in the ginger and garlic sauce. But if I add a tomato after cook already, then it will be very so watery. Okay, so what I do, I will pound it. Okay, guys, this is a puree of ginger, garlic, and tomato. Okay, so this is chili, coriander, and this is lean meat of chicken with bone. Okay, now I'm going to start cooking. Okay, guys, now I add chicken in the Baltic. This is Baltic. Okay, this is the name come from. Now I will little stir it, and usually you don't need to put oil in there because you just add directly the puree inside. Just add the puree here directly and add hold this thing in there. If this one is in Europe or somewhere, they will say with tomato sauce, but we call it Balti. Okay, Balti is this. There is another similar atom with this. It's called kadai kebab. Kadai kebab is different way to cook. One day I will show you guys also, but actually same recipe, but the chicken is a different method. Okay, now this will cook in here. I just add here some salt. Okay, just some salt, no need other ingredients, and then we will cover it. Okay, guys, you see the reason I don't chop in the water because if you add a water and then chicken meat have some its own water and then tomato, so it will be very watery and not delicious anymore. So this is the way I cook it. Now there's a lot of ginger, garlic, tomato, and chicken and salt. So this dish is very popular in Pakistan. Okay, but they cook with mutton. Young age of mutton, about 6 month old mutton. They will cook it front of you. They hanging all the muttons in the shops, and when you go, you choose the mutton, and they will cook it front of you. So they just add right away the water because whole day the same puree they use, and that's it. In the end, they add tomato. Okay, but of course the tomato will not cook, so I change it little bit. In 1980 9 1990, someone invite me to go to Chongqing Minshun, because they say there is a restaurant, they cook very nice chicken Baltic. So I went there with my friends to eat chicken Baltic. When they bring the chicken Baltic, is onion and meat, and there's just like a very stupid style of food, not even the street food, because they hire a cook from India. Those rickshaw drivers, Indian guys, then they are paper holders, they are not even cooks, so they cook chicken Baltic. So I was very disappointed. So since that, I want to make something like a real one, but now I'm going to show you guys. Thank you. Okay guys, let's see. Yeah, look at that. Now the sauce is reduced, and yeah, it's reduced, it's almost half cooked. Now we are going to add the green chili. Green chili need to cook little bit, okay? So green chili will cook little, then we cover again for 1 minute, and then after 1 minute we check it. Okay guys, you see, now the real good flavor given this food when in the end you put some fresh butter, okay? But I'm not going to add butter, because I just tell you can add some fresh butter when you cook already, you add some fresh butter. But I'm not eating butter, because butter is not good for my heart. So I just let you guys know. Now this is 80% done, so we close another 1 minute. Okay guys, let's see. Now you can see the sauce is done, chicken is cooked, everything is done, it's beautiful looking. And what we will do now, we close the fire. Okay, now this is a chicken Baltic, okay? Chicken Baltic, this is the way to cook. This is Mughlai food. Mughlai mean Mangal kings. Mangal kings, when they was in India, they bring the Persian food from Persia. When King Humayun was exiled in Persia, he come back. When he come back after 6 years to India, he bring all the chefs from Persia, and he introduced this food in India. So today Indian are very proud. They say, oh, Indian food, Indian food. It's not Indian food, okay? I have a lot of reviews in newspapers. I will show you guys. Not now, not new reviews. That is 1990 reviews, okay? So this is a chicken Baltic, okay? Chicken Baltic. Okay guys, this is tandoori roti, okay? Tandoori roti, how I make it, I will show you the video next time, because this is the way to cook tandoori roti without tandoor, okay? Look at this is real tandoori roti.